Tricky words, Group 1. Tricky words love to be different. They don't sound the way they're spelled. We will learn to read them by sight. I am happy. The sun is bright. He runs fast. She has a big hat. Me, help me tie my shoes. We like to sing. Be, it will be fun. Was, the weather was cold. 2, we went to the park. Do, I do my homework. Are, these apples are red. All, I ate all the cake. Goodbye. Please press like, share, and subscribe.